viewers, welcome to my channel PC Geo Kimberlite, a source of diamonds. Today we are going to see an important scholarship sponsored by NIT Silchar. NIT Silchar PhD program 2021 is for ME, MTech, BE, BTech or PhD degree holders. So this is the NIT Silchar PhD program 2021. I am Dr. Sajid Undekar, Associate Professor and Head Department of Geology, AKI, Pune College of Art, Science, Commerce, Camp, Pune, Maharashtra, India. The last date for this scholarship is 2nd July 2021. So NIT Silchar PhD program 2021 for BE, MTech, BE, BTech or PhD degree holders. Now about the program, NIT Silchar is the top NIT in India and it comes around 9 rank. The NIT Silchar Assam PhD program 2021 is for ME, MTech, BE, BTech and PhD degree holder. Applications are invited for admission into the PhD program in the following departments with the area of specialization. Admission groups as mentioned in the table for the session to July to December 2021. The selected candidate will receive a fellowship as per the Ministry of Earth, Science or CSIR or UGC guidelines. The eligibility for the application in Group A. So here we have Group A and Group B. So the students for admission into PhD program in engineering department must satisfy one of the following. The student must hold an ME or MTech degree or equivalent with GATE or NET's qualification in an appropriate area with a minimum CPI of 6.5 on a 10-point scale or equivalent 60% of the mark. Yes, so here the student must be ME or MTech degree or equivalent with GATE or NET qualification in an appropriate area with a minimum CPI of 6.5 on a basis of 10-point scale equivalent to 60% marks. For SC, ST and PWD, that is physical handicaps candidates, a minimum CPI of 6 point on a 10 basis scale equivalent to 55% marks. So 5% relaxation will be given for these candidates. Then candidates must hold a BE or BTech degree, with an excellent academic record with a valid GATE score with a CPI of at least 8 on the point 10 scale or equivalent to 75% mark. So here it is an opportunity for the students for the PhD program. The candidates who are there in a BE or BTech who have an excellent academic record, that is the GATE score, valid GATE score with a CPI at least 8 on 10-point scale and equivalent to 75% marks. For graduate from IITs or NITs, the minimum CPI requirement is 7 point on the 10 scale. Or for SC, ST, PWD candidates, there is a relaxation of 0.5 CPI or 5% marks. Students admission into PhD degree program in science department must have a master degree. Yes, those who are there in the science department must have a master degree in a relevant discipline with a GATE or UGC, CSR, NBHM or NET score. Admission with a minimum CPI is 6.5 on 10-point scale or equivalent to 60% marks. Or students appearing final year of ME, MTech, MSc, MA, MBA are also eligible to apply. So this is the Group A. Now come to the next one. In a Group B, students hold an ME or MTech degree or equivalent in an appropriate area with a CPI is 6.5 on a 10-point scale is equivalent to 60% marks. The students admission into the PhD program in a science department must have a master degree in the relevant discipline with a minimum CPI is 6.5, that is the 10-point scale equivalent to 60% marks. For SC, ST, PWD, candidates, the physical handicaps candidates, minimum CPI is 6 on a 10-point scale and equivalent to 55% mark. 0.5% is the relaxation given again in the group B also. Students admission into PhD degree on a management studies department must have master degree in business administration or master degree in relevant discipline with a minimum CPI is 6.5 on a 10 scale or equivalent to 60% marks. Student admission into PhD degree program in humanities and social sciences HSS department must have a master degree in any field with a minimum CPI of 6.5 on a 10-point scale or equivalent to 60% marks. To know more information, you can go directly and visit the website of the NIT Silchar, Assam. The benefit for you are going to get into scholarship, the selected candidates will receive a fellowship as per the Ministry of Earth Science, CSIR, UGC guidelines. And what is the requirement? The documents are required, CV is required, application form and relevant documents. How you can apply for this scholarship? The eligible candidates can apply for this fellowship by following steps mentioned. Click on apply button and below the read all details. So this is the have been taken from the Buddy for Study scholarship portal. So you have to go to the Buddy for Study scholarship portal and there you have to apply now button is there. You have to press that button, then you read all the information and apply for the PhD program on the online application portal. So from that portal you can apply. You have to make the registration on that portal with your Gmail account, mobile, WhatsApp number or Facebook. And next one, you have to be mail the application to PhD_admission_21 at nits.ac.in. So you have to send a mail with all your application and document which are attached. You have to send to the PhD_admission_21 at nits.ac.in with a copy to admission. Yes, there will be CC will be given to admission_PhD_21 at nits.ac.in on or before 2nd July 2021 by 5 p.m. Yes, the specially time also mentioned. The subject line should be, you have to write down application for the PhD program, name of the department, application for the group A or group B. Selection criteria, the selection will be based on the applicant's qualification and his experience. So whatever he has been mentioned in his CV, qualification and how much he has got the experience and their performance in the interview, on the basis of that there will be selection will be done. Important documents, the health document which are there, that will be required. No correspondence will be entertained with the candidates who are called for counseling or selected for the appointment. Canvassing in any form will be result in disqualification of candidature. So canvassing in any form will be result or in disqualification of candidature. Legal dispute, if any, will be restricted within the jurisdiction of Silchar code only. Candidates should upload their application form along with all the supporting documents duly self-attested. Candidates are required to provide their active email ID, mobile numbers, landline phone numbers in application form for easy contact. A list of shortlisted candidates will be displayed on the website of the institute. No personal intimation will be made to the candidate. So once you have applied for this particular scholarship, every day you have to go and check it out the website and find out whether they have been announced that list of selected candidates are there for calling the interview. Candidates are advised to visit the institute website regularly. And now the contact address will be there. National Institute of Technology, Silchar, NIT, Silchar 788010 Assam. That is the address. And email ID is the PhD_admission_21 at nits at a.ac.in. I hope this is clear. Those who are there interested to do the PhD, those who have the degree of ME, MTech, BE, BTech or MS, MSc is there, or those who are there in a master degree, they are having a chance to do their PhD program in NIT Silchar, Assam. If you are eligible, you can apply for the scholarship, and if you are not eligible, then see in your family or your close family and in your group, see that anyone which will be eligible, desire for this scholarship, forward this scholarship to this deserving candidates so that he can apply, and if he gets the scholarship, he can make his dream complete with this particular scholarship. Thank you. Have a nice day.